Hey, Angela Carter here with RecruitRepsOnline.com, and I want to share with you a really good, powerful Facebook tip that works. So, if you're in a network marketing company or in a direct sales business and you've been trying to do some marketing online, but you've been struggling, so if you've been doing some social media, especially Facebook, then you're really going to love this powerful tip. So let me share with you something. If you've been trying to recruit people or generate customers on Facebook for your business, but you've struggled, I want to share with you a story, a powerful story of one of my customers, Catherine Gage, who is in Mary Kay. She's pretty much like the ideal person that I love to work with. You know, I coach people who are in an existing network marketing business who just want to focus on building their business, building customers, or building a team inside of their existing business, and they want to use the internet to grow their existing business. And so Catherine was my ideal person because she was somebody who was in Mary Kay in a company and had actually been doing stuff, right? So I don't work best with people who, you know, maybe been in their company for a while, and I ask them, like, what are you doing? And they're like, I'm not doing really anything. It's like, I'd rather not move something that hasn't been moving, but I'd rather work with somebody who's already moving, who's already doing something. Like, hey, I'm doing something on Facebook, you know, but I'm just not getting results. Or, hey, I'm marketing on Craigslist, but I'm not. Like, they're actually doing something. So if that's you, this is gonna be really powerful because so Catherine came to me and she was doing some Facebook marketing, which is, I see a lot with Mary Kay reps. A lot of them are doing Facebook marketing, but they have fan pages and they're not getting any results with them. So she had a Facebook fan page. So she gets started, she went to RecruitRepsOnline.com. So you can go there on that site. She put in her email address, and she got started as a customer with me because she wanted to get access to the blogging platform that I market, but also the online marketing training that will teach her how to now market her products. And so I have a 21-day lead challenge group where the whole focus of the 21 days is to get leads for your business. So leads for if you want to just market the product that your company has, or if you want to market the business opportunity. I haven't picked one or the other, customer side or the business side, at least for the first 21 days, because I want them to be focused. And then they can now go back through the 21 days again, but do the other side of their business. So Catherine decided to market the skincare product line in Mary Kay. And so she had already, like I said, she had already had a Facebook fan page. So when a new customer gets started with me, they have a phone strategy session with me. I talk to every single one of my customers, those who actually book an appointment. You'll be surprised at how many people get started with me, and I'm like hunting them down, like, hey, come on, do your phone strategy session. And then they don't, and I'm like, okay, whatever. But I actually work with people who actually, you know, schedule their session. So Catherine did it, right? Again, action taker. Like I said, it's easier to work with somebody who's already doing something. It's like, look, I'm trying to get stuff done. It's better to work with somebody like that than somebody who's like, I've been in my company, but I haven't been doing anything. Now, so Catherine books her phone strategy session with me, and basically the whole point was for me to kind of coach her through the beginning part of the 21-day challenge, see what side of the business she's going to focus on, let her know what to expect, what's coming up in the challenge. And so she was telling me about she wanted to market the skincare line. She had a Facebook fan page, and so I told her, I was like, what's your fan page? So I went to it, immediately saw what was wrong, immediately, and I said, okay. In the 21-day challenge, you're not only going to get some training on social media with Facebook, but you'll learn, you know, blogging and video marketing as well in this 21-day challenge that you can get access to as well if you go to RecruitRepsOnline.com. So I told her immediately, no, we're going to have to create a new fan page. And I told her she's going to have to change the name of her fan page, and I told her what to do. So I wasn't expecting her to do it right away because I told her she'll get to, I think it's like day 7 of the challenge. And that's what talks about the Facebook part. So I just told her, just to give her a heads up, this is the direction you want to go in when you get to day 7. Oh no, Catherine was an action taker. Again, I love working with action takers. I love working with people who are coachable. She changed it right away, right? Right away. Got off the phone. 3 days later, she got a sale. Somebody bought one of her products. I think it was like, she had a $100 sale. The product was like, I think $100. Already 3 days in from signing up with me. Because why? Because she moved. She didn't wait around. Anytime she had a question, she hopped on the Q&A hangouts that I had. Because I have a Q&A hangout for my people for my customers who are like, hey, I got this question, or hey, can you take a look at this? She hopped on. She was present. You'd be surprised that the people say, I want someone to work with me, but then they don't show up to those hangouts. But again, I love working with action takers like Catherine. So Catherine, 3 days in, you guys. So what did she do? I'm going to share with you guys. And I'm going to let you know about a free Facebook training that I'm doing Thursday night this week at 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so what did Catherine do? Catherine's page originally was very, very focused on her company. So it was like Catherine Gage, independent Mary Kay consultant. All her posts was about all these products that Mary Kay had. It was like post after post after post on her Facebook page. It was all about her product, all about her company. So it looked very salesy, very promotional, very pitchy. And that's the reason why people weren't engaging. Facebook's all about being social. It's all about building a community around a shared interest. So what we did is we actually, I told her she needed to build a page that built a community around people who wanted to, improve their skin. And so we created a fan page that was geared towards women, her target market. We go through and during the 21-day challenge, she picked her target market, all that stuff. But we figured out who her target market was, people who would be most likely and most interested in the skincare products. And we built a fan page that was generic looking enough that it wasn't like Mary Kay all over it, but it was about skincare. And every so often, she would then put a little pitch on there about her Mary Kay skincare products. But that's what we did. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about what we did, and you want to learn how to apply this into your business, I want to let you know here, I am doing a Facebook training, a free Facebook training this Thursday, February 25th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. To get access, to get registered, you want to go to recruitrepsonline.com and then putting your email address on that page. So that way, when I send out the link Thursday morning to that hangout, you'll get that email. So you have to be on my email list. So if you're watching this video and you're already on my email list, you are all good. Just watch and guard your inbox like a hawk on Thursday morning so you can get that link to that hangout. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you not only how to generate sales, customer sales, but how to recruit people the right way on Facebook so you don't come across as pitchy and salesy. So you can start getting results like Catherine did. But I only want people who are action takers. So if you're somebody you're already doing something in terms of marketing your business, like today, you watching this video today, you try to do something. Maybe you try to talk to people about your business, or maybe you did a post on Facebook. I want to work with those of you who you're actively trying to do something right now in your business, but it just isn't working for you. Maybe something like, hey, I'm not getting the responses that I want. It's easier for me to coach people who I know are already hungry, who are already driven, who are already ambitious, and just kind of take a look and say, oh, no. Yeah, you need to make this tweak. And then they do it really quickly because they're already action takers, and they get results like Catherine. So again, join me on this free training on how to recruit and generate sales using Facebook inside of any network marketing business. Thursday, February 25th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go to recruitrepsonline.com, especially if you're watching this on Facebook or you found this video on YouTube. If you're not already on my email list, go to recruitrepsonline.com, put in your email address, and then watch your email inbox on Thursday. Those of you already on my email list, all you got to do is just watch your inbox. You don't have to go back to that site because you got on my email list by going to that site. So just want to let you guys know I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite trainings that I like to do because people get so many breakthroughs and so many ahas from it. And then those who get partnered with me as a customer, like Catherine, and I have another young lady who's she's actually getting ready to start a business coaching teenage girls. She's getting leads left and right from the 21-day challenge from Facebook. And she's like, I love Facebook. Facebook's my favorite strategy now, Angela. And she's like killing it. And it's all because the right knowledge, right? The right knowledge makes a huge difference. When you know actually how to do something and the right way to do it, it becomes fun again. And you need to have more fun in your business. It should be something that you enjoy. A lot of people get in this business and they're like, I hate my job, so I want to leave my job, and that's why I'm starting my business. And then they hate their business because they're not having fun. And the reason why a lot of people are not having fun in their home-based business is because they're not enjoying the marketing that they're doing. And then a lot of them are not having fun because you're not getting results, right? I've been there. I get it. I understand. So show up. Show up Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I look forward to seeing you on the Hangout. I interact with people on the Hangout, so be sure to get on Thursday and comment, interact with me back and forth. It's going to be live. It's going to be live. And be sure to take lots of notes because I'm giving a lot of good information away. So I'll see you Thursday. Bye.